Hello, my name is James Ruiz, Step 3 Identify Technology Value. My tutor Juan Carlos Amezita, University Net. My brainstorm: lack of information on production costs, cost overruns, products that are not profitable, not legend of profit or loss, impossible to create strategy action plans. We don't know the effective rates. Impairs control of expenses. Reduce the competitiveness of the company. Recommendation: cost must be measured in the production of product or service. The company must have an accounting department that has control. Thank you.